em.
Mày hôm nay không?
Có.
Mày có nghĩ mày vừa đi được không mày về mày tao không? Nào hả?
Chào cậu.
Còn cái nịt, còn đúng cái nịt thôi.
Hi everyone, I'm Tân, an IELTS teacher from the IELTS Workshop. I'm sure many of you found yourself in similar situation as shown at the beginning of the video. But be careful because this month, the 7th month of the lunar calendar, is often referred to as the ghost month. This is when the spirits of the dead return to the land of the living. So if you see something lying around, just leave it where it is, for it might be an offering to those spirits. So what should you avoid doing during this ghost month? Number 1. Don't pick up money you find on the ground. As I mentioned earlier, money on the ground might be a tribute for the evil spirits, and if you take it, you could be taking on the misfortunes that were meant for the person who left the money. Number 2. Avoid going out late at night, or at least limit it. According to tradition, the gates of the underworld are open for the duration of this month, allowing spirits to roam freely. To avoid any unfortunate encounters, it's best to stay indoors after dark. Number 3. Refrain from burning joss paper unnecessarily. It's believed that this can attract wandering spirits who may then come and disturb your life, causing you troubles, illness, or even death. Next, this might sound a bit strange. According to folklore, you shouldn't pluck your leg hair during the ghost month, as each strand of hair can ward off 3 spirits. And finally, steer clear of buying valuable assets. Buying such items during this time is believed to carry unexpected risks and bring calamity to the buyer. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Avoid the taboos I just mentioned, help others, show respect to the deceased, do good deeds, and you should be just fine. I'm Tân from the IELTS Workshop. Goodbye and take care.